He has asked a question. Wa alaikum assalam. What is the cure for evil eye and black magic? Okay. And also, please, if you guide about lottery, insurance, and especially mortgage, please. Mashallah, Jazakallah khairan for all your questions. The first thing is that black magic is something which is mentioned in the Quran, and also it is mentioned in the hadith of Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. It is mentioned in the Quran and it is also mentioned in the hadith of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And we know from Sahih Bukhari that Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was also affected. And even when we speak about the story of, when we read the story of Prophet Musa alayhi salam, even in that story, we find that the magicians of Musa alayhi salam, they were trying to do black magic on Musa alayhi salam, and also what they have done, they hypnotized all of them, even Musa alayhi salam himself, when he used to throw his stick on the floor, it was with Allah's permission changed to a snake. But when these magicians, they threw the strings, they became snakes, and that was their magic, which is like hypnotism, making things look different than what they are in real nature. So the magic is affected. The effect of magic is there in Quran and ahadith of Rasulullah as well. The cure is very simple. My brothers and sisters, in the market, there are people who are selling the religion. If you go to the magician, you will lose your iman, you will waste your time, you will waste your money, and the cure will not be there. Maybe temporarily you will find relief, and then afterwards you will find that the thing has become worse than before, and you will go back to your previous situation worse than what you were. So you lose your iman, you use your time, you lose your faith, and also subhanallah wealth and your health. So there is no point going to these people. Even when we talk about evil eye is also true. Rasulullah said that evil eye can kill the person, and we know from many different ahadith. And the cure is again, because this evil eye or black magic that happened to the Sahaba, they were not different than us. They were like us, mashallah. So they had the same problem, and Rasulullah cured them with the ruqya. Ruqya is a procedure of the reading of the Quran from Surah Al-Fatiha to Surah Al-Nas, some verses, some surahs, which will help you to diagnose. First of all, it will help you to diagnose the case related to the black magic, evil eye, or possession of the jinn. Or it will also, diagnose if you have a psychological problem. So ruqya is the only treatment, and the correct way of doing ruqya is to read the Quran on the person. Either if a man is affected, then the raqish can put his hand on the forehead of the person and read the ruqya, or better not to have physical contact and read from the distance. And there is no way in Islam that it is permissible for anybody to torture or harm anybody, or try to burn them or do certain things. All these kind of things are not permissible in the treatment of the cure when we do for the black magic or evil eye. The cure is Surah Al-Fatiha, Ayat Al-Kursi, last two verses of Surah Al-Baqarah, and 4 Qul. These are the best way if you can read. If you can't, then there are so many audios are available on YouTube with the ruqya, complete ruqya. And if you inshallah go to my website, inshallah I will send you the link now, where you can click on that link and you will find my ruqya audio there, and you listen to it. Mashallah, by the grace of Allah, Allah has cured thousands of people, mashallah, by this kalamullah. And Rasulullah, one of my friends, mashallah, he made a copy of this audio of mine and distributed to 15,000 houses for free, alhamdulillah. So this is the link that you have now on YouTube, on the chat box. You can click on that, and inshallah you will find, the link says that the Ruqya Shari'iyya by Sheikh Abdul Majid So you will find that Abdul Majid Ali Hassan Bapu. That's the complete Ruqya you will find there. And you can listen to it. It's only 36 minutes, and inshallah it will help you to resolve your problem.